With PayPro Global as your merchant of record, we take care of the entire transaction process for you. How does the merchant of record model work? Your customer makes a purchase online. We securely collect the payment, and then we transfer the funds directly to you. Now you might be wondering, what's the real difference? Why choose a merchant of record like PayPro Global? As your partner, we provide secure and reliable global payment processing, supporting over 140 currencies, more than 70 payment methods, complete global tax compliance, robust fraud protection, a variety of payment gateways for faster payment processing and better conversion rates. Next, we deliver your digital product to your customer instantly, simplifying the entire customer experience, providing easy customer portal access for subscription management, and 24/7 live billing support through all kinds of channels, making sure all urgent requests are taken care of. We also eliminate the burden of complex tax obligations, such as PCI DSS compliance, and filing and remittance of VAT and sales taxes to the right authorities. Finally, we ensure a clean and simple transfer of your funds to your account, providing detailed reporting, simplified payouts, effective revenue recovery tools for dunning management. No hassle, no complications. Just a straightforward e-commerce solution that lets you focus on what you do best. PayPro Global. Global payments simplified.